Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Morning, guys. Today is October 6th, and I have 6 minutes to leave off for work. I'm holding this down because sometimes the hair just frizz up. But see, this is the hair that I was showing y'all yesterday. But I'm drinking my breakfast, green tea, and I have oatmeal with blueberries. I'm eating when I get to work. I think I told y'all what this was already, right? I have to put these nails on. When I find time, I'll put them on. I go to the gym today. I did not go to the gym yesterday. I did not. I worked out inside instead. But I'm going to the gym today. I have to.
So strong.
Okay, what time is it? I cannot believe it. Tomorrow's Friday. Friday. I'm off on Monday. Monday is Columbus Day, so I don't work on Monday. Upload a video today. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. I'm since I uploaded a video. Yeah, 3 weeks ago was the last. Oh damn. Yeah, I gotta drop a video today. I was editing one last night. So let me get out of here. It's 8:58. Let's see if this thing is based down. It's nice today. The weather is 58 degrees. It's nice. I don't think it's gonna rain today because I checked it before. It's very sunny. It's gonna be 73. So let me see how my hair look. This side always higher than this side. I don't know why. That's one of the reasons why I tie it down. I've catched up to all of Petite Sue vlogs. Her vlogs, not her main channel, which is the makeup channel. So much in her old vlogs, like from when she first started YouTube. She's a motivation, I swear. I think I told y'all she the one that made me started vlogging, because I'm like, I'll be watching her vlogs. I'm like, her vlogs is so cool. Like, she basically just doing her errands and vlogging. So I'm like, let me start doing that. Even though I was watching Aaliyah J too, but honestly, Petite was the one that like made me like decided to do it. Oh, and this other girl. Well, I said she really made me start doing it, but the other girl, the only one Jess, her too. She's another Jamaican YouTuber, but she's more Americanized. Like, she speaks more American than Jamaican. I understand, she's trying to, And then, I don't know, I don't think she was born there, because her patois are kind of off. But, you could still, yeah. Enough of that. Anyways, let me get out of here. 9 o'clock. Okay, let me get out of here. I'm trying to go get that train. If I don't get that train, I get the other train. The 9:13 train. Which I'm still going to be on time, so. But, you know what? Better late, better. Let me go now. I'm out. So, I just missed a train. There's another one coming though. I'm not really able to see me. So, the sun is beaming. I can't even see myself on this phone. But I'm right by the train station. Another train coming soon. Buenos dias. Oh shit, I didn't even miss it. It says 1 minute. Hold on, let me see if I can get this train. Made it. because the activity ready. We got cops out here. Listen, ain't nothing worse than when you was working out and then you gotta walk up some steps. Me eat that bad. All these damn steps. Look at that. One right here. There's another one. Woo. Okay. Morning. Then I found a little shortcut because they still working over here. Construction is still here. So I go this way now. Don't grab it after. The Bank of America right here.
So, this weather is nice today. 8 degrees, not bad. Like if I wore the other jacket, I would have been hot. But hot flashes. I'm going to menopause. The SDK right here. The entrance, and then I already got the seating area right here.
No, tell me why me come over and forget my charger. That's the second time I do this week. I do that Monday. I used to bring 2 charger. I did before. Listen, man, forget my charger. I'm gonna go borrow the charger. I'm gonna borrow the charger, but I have no choice. I watch Petite Sue old vlogs. I love our vlogs. Them bad. I was all the way at the bottom. I started from the top. But honestly, when I found her, I didn't start from the bottom. I forgot where I started. I think the video that was posted. I will tell me what I'm trying to remember who. I think it was the Batty twins. I don't remember how I found her. I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe she was a recommendation. So see, I've been watching her old vlogs from first. I was not playing. Old vlogs. Okay, I think I'm at 24. Well, I finished that one on the TV. Alright, so this is 7 years ago. So she started YouTube in 2015, and girl bust right through. The girl bust right through. When I was watching her early vlogs, like her first couple vlogs, she was like, people keep looking at me. He said, you gotta be comfortable because people keep looking at you. Like that's really how it is too. Like people can be staring. One of these vlogs, she was like, she was talking about her sister. She was like, I'll be confident today. I'm gonna hold up the camera, and if they staring, they staring. Something like that she said. I was like, yeah, girl, do what you gotta do. But that's how it really be though. People really be looking at you. Like, so if you're ready to do YouTube, you gotta just do it. Don't keep there looking. It is what it is. I'm on break. It is 3. Well, my break is supposed to be 3:30. So no, I'm good. So anyways, I'm going to Wendy's. And I'm going to Wendy's for a salad. Yeah, a salad. Yeah, I'm going for a salad because I start the gym, so I gotta start eating right. I mean, I may have a cheat day or two. I'm not gonna lie to you, we're not gonna be perfect, but 95% of the time, I'm gonna be healthy, man. So, yeah. I should have tried the strawberry salad they had in the summertime. I don't know if they still have it. Hopefully they do. If they do, I'm gonna get that one. I never had a chili dog before. Never. Never had a corn dog either. I want to try the corn dog though. I always see the corn dog. I'm like, let me try it, and I never do. I'm not going to Five Below today. Slowly, telling my life, telling my life. Look at me. We doing this, Wendy's. We gonna get a salad today. Asking you kindly. I know what I'm getting already. Salted avocado. $8. That tastes good.
Thank you.
Hi, can I get the Southwest avocado salad?
You want the combo?
Huh?
You want the combo?
Just the salad. Can I get a different dressing than ranch? I don't like ranch.
Yeah, what dressing?
Vinaigrette. Thank you. Thank you. That's not bad. $8. Not bad at all. Yeah, you took mine. Mine. Smells good. I like how this smells so good. This is my first time having a Wendy salad. It's giving. Okay. This salad is giving. Look at it. Oh my god. It is giving, honey. It smells so good. It's something. Is this the dressing? They come with smoked bacon, pepper jack, avocado, tomatoes, grilled chicken. Oh yeah, baby, all of it. The sauce smell weird, smell different, but a long time I eat some smoked bacon, but it is good. Alright, so I'm shopping for an air fryer and a juicer. Yeah, I'm on Walmart because the process of juicing that I do take forever. I think I'm just gonna get a juicer. I will eat the salad again. This is so good. Look at it on Farm and Dollar Tree. Now they got the 6 rolls. Just like Dollar General. I need this. Some hot chocolate because the time is getting cold. I really just came in here for apple cider vinegar. What's this? Real scented. I don't want to buy what I don't need. I just need. Oh, apple. Oh, damn. This, but not this one. Almond milk. I need almond milk. Let me see if I can find this thing what I came for. Oh, here it is. Found it.
And I was looking at her, looking at me like we the same height.
Some onion and tomato. And I got the garlic right here. And I just put some, burn some sugar in this. I don't have brown sugar. I was looking. Then I have some asparagus and some seasoning because I don't really like seasoning, but I'm trying to, keep it healthy. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix all those ingredients Nikki is a mess. Nikki put egg in Klein orange juice. And then she was like, oh, come, cheers. Today is October 7th, finally Friday. I have a meeting to go to, so that's why I'm up so friggin' early. Green juice time. I didn't go to the gym last night again because they said my leg did not pain up, man. I did workout. I did home workout the day before, so my leg pain up. For them prank always like authentic and just original and natural. Then I do what everybody else do. I'm gonna go to work. Not early, but no. I'm gonna go to Bryant Park. People doing touring early in the morning. Why didn't it come out that side? It's early though, so whatever. Yeah. But the sun is out. Let's see what they're doing over here. It's been a minute since I came over here. Oh. I think they do anything, but I'm gonna check. These breakfast stuff be so expensive for no damn reason. I think they cleaning up. I think they fixing it. Oh, they're doing some construction over here. Let me go look. Let me go over here. Oh, I can take a picture. Yeah, they do some type of construction over here. I don't know what they're doing. Some type of construction. I don't know. Oh, I think they're setting up. The skating ring thing. Yeah, because it's winter. It's about to be winter, so I think they're working on that. In October, right? Yeah. I think that's the Empire State Building. William Earl Dodge. Construction workers that they. I need a croissant though. I'm in the mood for a croissant. Listen, once you come to the city, you're gonna be a tourist. A lot of people visiting. Taking a picture. I don't know what they're taking a picture of. I guess it's the building. I don't know. What's that little part right there? I need a croissant badly. I think I hate more than cigarette smoking. check y'all out. That's how they get to work fast. They're like, F the bus and the train. Morning. Hello, croissant, please. Croissant. Okay, look. But I'm mad the other day. I'm mad I went all the way down there for the Starbucks the other day. Like, I did not remember there was a Starbucks right here. I did not remember. That's crazy. Yes, I'm hot. I'm at the best Colleen. UPS. The delivery service like Amazon and FedEx. Looking like you want to be my blog. Okay. You all over my face. Supervisor sent me a message yesterday that the meeting was cancelled. The meeting was cancelled, and why am I just not seeing that? I did not see that message until just now. Sent me a message yesterday at 2:30. Like, and I got here mad early. Ciao. Whatever. Anyways, my friggin' oatmeal, the milk spilled in the bag that I brought it in. Yeah, the camera not doing it justice, but it's really big. I had to warm it up. Let it, you know. It has some butter. Don't worry about my body come. My body come. Okay, so it's 6:55 a.m. I mean, a.m. Oh, the breeze feels nice. I just came out the train, right? When I got out of work, I went to the transition. Swiping through, and the actor guy, I just saw an actor guy. I don't know. I don't think I even know his name, to be honest. I just can't remember the movie that he comes in. He comes in movies and shows, and I can't remember none of them. I think I watched a few movies that he played somebody dad in. I just know he got a pimple under his chin, right here on his chin. He's light skinned, and he have that like kind of back in the day haircut also. He saw me looking at him because I was like, he's coming this way, he's coming through, and I'm going that way. And I'm like, and he looked at me, and then he just kept walking. I'm like, that's the guy. That's what I said, because I don't think I know his name. I don't know his name. So, yeah. Champagne like a tiny. I can't remember nothing this man coming. That don't make sense. Like, my man is so blank. My feet is hurting, yo. I don't know if it's cause the way I was sitting there at work, but my ankle is hurting, man. Saturday, October 8th. And I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I haven't been to the gym in like 3 days. But I got my green juice. So I'm gonna drink it first before I head there. You see the time, it's like, it's the first thing I'm eating for the day. The weather is kind of chilly outside. It's like 57 degrees now. But the sun is out. I got some packages today. Unboxed that, and another, like, not today. I'm gonna unbox it. Not today, not tomorrow. Probably next week. I have some more packages coming, so I don't want to unbox it right away. I'm ready for this workout because I've been I've been slacking. I have to get up and go today. I was not playing. And I'm gonna go tomorrow. And I'm off to Monday because it's Columbus Day. So I'm definitely gonna go Monday. But I have laundry to do and I have my hair to wash. And like listen, I missed one little treatment and my hair is looking like it's about to thin again. No, we're not doing that. So I'm gonna make my mask, my avocado, mayonnaise, olive oil, egg mask, and I'm washing my hair tomorrow. Listen, I need that mask for my hair. What I like about this Planet Fitness app, it tells you, like, I could check the carb meter before I go. So I could check the carb meter before I go, and you see it's 2 bars, meaning it's not that. You see the 2 bars right here? It meaning it's not that crowded, so that's a good thing. I like that.
Regular, me looking at the face of fear, can't fear nothing else. Them said that the worst and show me something else.
Please go serve, Jesus fucking earth. Put my life on the line, 16 up the world. I feel like I have to be quiet, but lean up in bed. Me have the judge for the Father, please touch me. Give me the strength, don't need nothing else. Let me tell you pain in every language.
Look at that thing, man. Just did an hour. Told me to cool down. I was gonna get off anyway, but 416 calories burned. Whew, what time is it? I'm trying to show you how the people in New York is. Why is the city bag right here? And look. They're good and damn well you're not supposed to take it. So I'm telling you why these people up here, them don't care. They just do what they want to do. Because the city bike should not be over there, but stay up here. Especially in New York. Dollar Tree didn't step it up, y'all. Look at this. Oat milk. What? It's the last 2 years too. And they only had, of course, only had 2 almond milk, so I picked it up. It's good enough for now. It's laundry day and it's Sunday. Yeah. Look at this. This is plantain chips with tagging. It's new. It's $2.99. Pineapple, lettuce, spinach, turnip, celery, oranges, mango, lime, lemon, tomato. So this made my salad. This is spinach, lettuce, cucumber, and I have apple. Piece of apple right here. I'm always using like, let me forget. Anyways, I'm gonna sprinkle some lemon on there. But I'm missing my juice. I'm missing my season. My salad season that I always eat it with. I don't have it, so I'm about to settle for this fresh lemon juice. Yeah. It's busting. It's a big bowl. Look at that. It's my dinner, by the way. It's 5:30. I'm not cooking no dinner today. I gotta wash my hair.
Just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's go. Let's don't get in a hurry. No, that's too slow. Go ahead and put that thing in motion. I want you to
said that's alright. You really come back with a longer knife. Me go my beer and Craig get a brown girl. Give me when me look, me see me woman in a full flight. Me baby mother say you're bright. Me say girl how you find me. She say she trail white night. She say how you love woman so. She say anyhow me know I'm cool. She say something not go happen between me and you.
Remember you got egg in here, right? So we gotta like pour water. So if you use the warm water, the egg whites can be in here. Ooh, damn, this water cold.
She say what you gonna do? She tell me she nah let go. 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 Me say baby, me get girl everywhere me go.
So it's 10 o'clock. Finally finished my hair. About to have a smoothie. It's not focusing. Ah, there you go. And I'm watching Petite Sue old vlogs. At the wrong house to pick my package. It was them that was ringing the doorbell. Them that was ringing the doorbell the whole time. I didn't know it was. Listen, I'm at work eating my lunch, the same food I cooked yesterday. And I swear, I never thought I would like the onions and stuff together, but it makes the food taste so good. I always give me food. I don't know what this is, but I just got this, and I got a Diet Coke. See, no sugar, no calories. So it's Hispanic Heritage Month. They doing right here at the school. What's the date? Yeah, it's almost time for me to go.